My name is Lila. I'm a pharmaceutical rep and my father is a doctor, so I've been around medicine all of my life. That probably makes me one of the more skeptical people to ever come in here, but I'm really glad that I did when I did. About 2.5 years ago, I was having such problems with my lower back and my legs that I was having trouble getting around. I fortunately found Dr. Ho. He was able to get me in very quickly, and within a few weeks he had completely changed my life. I was so impressed with what he did that I now bring my children in. We've been coming for about 2.5 years now, and I can't be more pleased with all of the results that we've had. So Dr. Ho, thank you so much.